I play Agent Burns. He is head of Sector 7. I've seen firsthand that these things really are. Sector 7 is responsible for all of the things the masses don't know about. Agent Burns will go out and move offensively to hunt down Bumblebee. Light it up! And brings a whole lot of equipment to do it. There's a door in my way!
John brings a physical presence that's undeniable, and that was part of what the character needed to convey.
Cut it off!
This guy is a pillar of strength, and once he finds his prey, he will pursue it doggedly.
Do not run! She ran. I really like the story. You begin to care for these characters, and inside that you have this wonderful action. Take it down!
My back, Bee!
I loved everything about it.